Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 18. We have some fantastic progress on tile today. I'm excited to show you around our spaces. Here's their workstation set up here in their master bedroom. Since the space is nice and wide open, we can protect all the finishes and be able to set up the grout cutting station and be inside instead of outside, making sure we're protecting the floor and have all the things protected at night when they leave. Our floor tile is going in. Look at that. Oh, it looks so fantastic in this space, friends. So this is his closet over here on the right. And then her closet's over here on the other side. But don't these look just great? Oh my goodness sakes. So I've been out here with Shannon and we have picked grout colors for the floors. We went with Mape Pewter to coordinate with them, but they look so good together. I want to show you this gentleman here with Carlson Tile is using that level to make sure each of her tiles goes in level on the floor, doing such a precise job getting this accomplished. We're so excited to partner with them on our projects. They really do a fantastic job for us. Here we have the master shower. They're still working away on this one, waiting for a couple of tile pieces to come in. But I'm just so impressed with that wave. I'm sure I'm showing you this multiple times, but I'm so excited about it. It looks so good. We're going with the grout color of Frost in this space. It's a really nice soft gray that coordinates well with the tile in here. And then the floor will be the same floor that they're running out of that hallway in the rest of the bathrooms and through the bedroom. This is the tub surround I'm so excited about. Doesn't she look beautiful? We are gonna grout her with Alabaster also. We had to work really hard to coordinate our pattern around those corners. The tile on the back of the wall goes behind the tile on the returns, so we had to use more tile and cut them just right for the pattern to work out, but it turned out so fantastic. So we're gonna have to run a little more drywall to float these walls out to cover these gaps, but that mud will cover that and be seamless in the process when this is all completed. But I just love this pattern. There's actually so many things you could do with a pattern of this tile just based on how you turn those pieces. And we offered multiple options, even from big diamonds to a wave pattern to a chevron, and there's just so many options you could do with it, but this is the one that we settled on for this space. Doesn't she just look so good? Here they are working into our living room space. I need to walk through some exterior doors so I don't step in the middle of any of these tiles as they're setting them. But doesn't that look so good, friends? And then our entry, that decorative tile for the entry just makes such a difference with the space. Friends, we were here in the laundry room. I think we've seen this tile before, but it looks so good in here. I wanted to show you this is what they're going to do for this backsplash tile. And we picked a grout color for it also today. This is Bedrosians Chloe. And she's a nice tile that has lots of color variation to her within their white. So it does a good job at complementing all the different tones of gray that you could have in a space, which is really, really nice. Friends for Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, thanks for being on this journey with us. We couldn't do it without you. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.